Good morning, children. Welcome to our English class. Today we will discuss the topic named water pollution. Students, now let us know what is water pollution. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies, usually as a result of human activities. Water bodies include, for example, lakes, rivers, oceans, and groundwater. Water pollution results when contaminants are introduced into the natural environment. Now, let us learn one by one how the water pollution is being caused. The first cause is drainage into river. It means that a drainage basin is any area of land where precipitation collects and drains off into a common outlet, such as into a river, bay, or other body of water. The drainage basin includes all the surface water from rain runoff, snowmelt, hail, and nearby streams that run downslope towards the shared outlet, as well as groundwater underneath the earth's surface. The second cause is washing at the river. Downstream, the river water polluted by the untreated water is used for drinking, bathing, and washing. This is a source of surface water pollution. Sewage discharged from cities, towns, and some villages is a predominant cause of water pollution in India. The third cause is polluted water near slum area. Fecal contamination in water source is still found globally, especially in urban slum areas of middle-low income countries. Fecal contamination is an indicator of low level of hygiene and sanitation practices, as poor management of drinking water supply might increase the risk of waterborne diseases in developing countries like Indonesia. The fourth cause is garbage thrown in water. People are sometimes careless and throw rubbish such as bottles and crisp packets indirectly into rivers. Pollution kills water plants and animals. When animals drink the water, they may get disease which can kill them. The fifth cause is toxic water flows from drainage. In some places, water may be contaminated by toxins that naturally exist in the earth, such as arsenic and fluoride. As the groundwater is used up, the risk of natural toxins grow because they are concentrated in the water that is left. The sixth cause is polluted water kills marine life. Marine scientists have found harmful consequences of marine pollution to sea life, ecosystems, and humans. Plastics can kill ocean mammals, turtles, and other species that consume it. It can also poison food and water as well, as harmful chemical leach out of the plastic. It poses threats to human health as well. The seventh cause is pollution at beach. Stormwater runoff accumulates pollutants such as oil and grease, chemicals and nutrients, metals and bacteria as it travels across land. The eighth cause is oil spillage in sea. Contamination of seawater due to an oil pour as a result of an incident or human error is termed as an oil spill. Oil is among the most important energy sources in the world, and because of its uneven distribution, it is transported by ships across the oceans and by pipelines across the lands. Let us see some of the pictures of oil spills. The ninth cause is chemical waste from industries. Wastewater from manufacturing or chemical processes in industries contributes to water pollution. Industrial wastewater usually contain specific and readily identifiable chemical compounds. Students, I hope you liked this video very much. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.